We have a new type of story sum today. Let's read this one. It says, there are 3 trees in the garden. Each tree has 2 apples growing on it. How many apples are there altogether? Now, let's see if we can find out which numbers we're going to need. So first it says, there are 3 trees in the garden. So here on my little blackboard space, I'll write a 3. Remember, this is not for you to write. Then it says, each tree has 2 apples growing on it. So there are 2 apples on each tree. And then lastly, we want to know how many apples. There's our word we need to use. How many apples there are altogether. Now this word is also important. Altogether gives us a clue that we must make some kind of plus sum because we're putting everything all together. Okay, for this kind of sum, it actually helps to draw a little picture because normally we would think that we have to say 3 plus 2, but in this case it's not right. So let's quickly start with our picture. So there are 3 trees. Tree number 1, tree number 2, and tree number 3. And then it says in each tree there are 2 apples. So that doesn't just mean 2 apples and now we're finished. It means each one of these trees must have the 2 apples. Okay, and now we can see that it's not just 3 plus 2. Actually, it's 2 plus 2 plus 2. We're not going to use the number 3 because number 3 shows 2 trees. We don't want to know how many trees there are. We already know that. We want to know how many apples there are. So we're only going to look at apples. So we've got 2 there plus 2 there plus 2 there. And now it's easy. I can just go count in 2s. 2, 4, 6. So my answer is 6. But remember, it is not finished until I write the word apples.